Imagine this. A rock the size of a skyscraper comes screaming out of the sky at 15 kilometers per second. In a single heartbeat, the ground erupts, the sky burns, and everything within miles is vaporized. It's not science fiction. It's what really happened to Earth, and it could happen again. 66 million years ago, one asteroid wiped out almost all life on our planet, including the mighty dinosaurs. But what if that wasn't the worst one? Today, we'll count down the 5 deadliest asteroids to ever hit Earth, and the ones that could still hit us. And then, we'll imagine what happens if all of them slammed into Earth at the same time. Spoiler alert, Earth doesn't stand a chance. Let's start small, with the Barringer Asteroid. 50,000 years ago, Earth was deep in the Ice Age. Then, out of nowhere, a 50-meter-wide hunk of iron and nickel, weighing over 300,000 tons, tore through the atmosphere of what's now northern Arizona. It hit the ground with the power of 10 megatons of TNT, enough to flatten everything for kilometers around. The blast carved a massive crater still visible today, one deep enough to fit the Burj Khalifa inside it. If that same asteroid struck Earth today near a major city, it would be total destruction. Skyscrapers gone. Glass shattered for miles. The shockwave alone would feel like a magnitude 7.5 earthquake. You wouldn't hear it coming, and you wouldn't stand a chance. But that's just the beginning. Because after the Barringer came much, much bigger killers. Ones powerful enough to shake the entire planet. But that's just the beginning. Because after the Barringer came far deadlier visitors from space. Asteroids so massive they didn't just change landscapes, they changed the planet itself. Let's jump forward in time. About 12,800 years ago, long after the Barringer impact, another space rock may have exploded in the skies over what's now North America. It's called the Younger Dryas Impact Hypothesis, and scientists believe it could have triggered a mini ice age that wiped out entire species and ended the age of the giant mammals, the mammoths, the saber-toothed cats, even early human tribes. If true, it didn't hit the ground. It exploded in the air with a force greater than 1,000 nuclear bombs. Imagine a wall of fire sweeping across continents, melting glaciers and turning forests into ash. It didn't destroy the world, but it restarted it. Now let's go bigger. 65 million years ago, a calm day in what's now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, until the sky turned white. A mountain-sized asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers across, slammed into Earth with the force of 100 trillion tons of TNT. This was the Chicxulub impact, the one that ended the reign of the dinosaurs. The explosion was so powerful it vaporized everything within thousands of kilometers, sent megatsunamis crashing across oceans, and wrapped the planet in darkness for years. Temperatures plummeted. Photosynthesis stopped. 75% of all life gone. Now imagine this. What if something even larger came our way? Something like Vredefort, the biggest known asteroid to ever hit Earth. 2 billion years ago, this monster, estimated to be up to 15 kilometers wide, smashed into what's now South Africa. The impact created a crater nearly 300 kilometers wide, big enough to swallow entire countries. The energy released? Beyond anything humans can comprehend. It made the Chicxulub look small. If that rock hit Earth today, there wouldn't be a today. Civilization would end in seconds. And yet, there's one final asteroid that keeps scientists awake at night. It hasn't hit us yet. It's called Apophis, a 370-meter-wide asteroid that will make a dangerously close flyby of Earth in the near future. If it ever collides with us, the explosion would unleash energy equivalent to tens of thousands of nuclear bombs, wiping out entire nations in seconds. But here's the terrifying question. What if all 5 of these asteroids, Barringer, Younger Dryas, Chicxulub, Vredefort, and Apophis, struck Earth at the same time? Spoiler alert, Earth wouldn't just lose, it would disappear. Let's find out what that apocalypse would look like.